Take 3. This is the rhythm for applying cold compress to a patient. We have alcohol, gloves if the patient is infectious. Next is baby wipes or gauze to moisten the skin. And the bida is the cold compress. After gathering all the materials is to uh, quick hand hygiene before entering the patient's room. Then, next is to um, check the doctor's order. After checking the doctor's order is to enter and identify the patient. So, ma'am, good morning. My name is Robert Iran Estanilla from Our Lady of Fatima University, a student nurse. May I know your name po and date of birth?
Date natin nga November 18, 2002.
May I know your, may I check your ID band using to verify your name po. So, next is to explain the procedure to the patient. So, I'm here po to give you a cold compress to relieve your pamamaga sa kamay. Is that okay po, ma'am? So, after explaining is to provide privacy, close the curtains and doors or public curtains now. And next is to do a quick hand hygiene. Again. Then, position the client. Expose lang natin yung need i-cold compress. So, ma'am, may I po yung left arm nyo para ma-cold compress po natin yung ayos. Expose lang po natin. Then, if na-expose na po, next is to moisten the skin around the inflamed arms. So, I'm using baby wipes. Sometimes it can be used as gauze or wet tissue. Or maybe wet cotton, pwede rin. Since available lang is baby wipes, pwede na rin. So, pag stroke natin is downward lagi para hindi balik-balik yung mga microorganism if meron. Then, next is to get the cold compress and sabihin natin sa patient if lalagay. Ma'am, ilalagay ko na po yung i-report niyo po sa akin if merong pain kayong naramdaman. So wait to about 5 minutes. After none is to remove. If the patient report pain, remove it immediately and investigate why. Then after none is to, after waiting 5 minutes is to remove the cold compress. Then check the inflamed arm if namaga or mas nagswollen. Then, next is to punasan natin ng dry tissue to remove the moisture in his arm. So, ma'am, pupunasan ko lang po kayo. Then, position the client comfortably. Then, after none is to document, and there you have it, the cold compression.